Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Living. Let's fly with success. Today is 4th November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Living, a humble request to them, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous two questions. We have to answer it first. Okay, our first question was, which country leads the world in plastic waste creation? In plastic waste creation, China, USA, Japan, or option D, Brazil? The correct answer here is option B, USA. Okay, the United States. The United States leads the world in plastic waste creation and is also among the top marine polluters according to the research. Okay, USA. Okay, and remember one thing, the China is the top position in e-waste creation. Okay, our second question was, who is appointed as the chairman of FIFS? Bimal Julka, Sunil Kumar, Sandeep Bakshi, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is Bimal Julka. So option A is correct here. Recently, the Bimal Julka is appointed as the chairman of FIFS. FIFS stands for Federation of Indian Fantasy Sports. What? Federation of Indian Fantasy Sports. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, in which state India's first miniature train launched? Kerala, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, or option D, Rajasthan? The correct answer here is option A, Kerala. In Kerala, recently the India's first miniature train launched. India's first of its kind, the solar energy driven miniature train, was inaugurated at the Valley Tourist Village in Kerala by Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. The Chief Minister of the Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan. Okay, and capital is Thiruvananthapuram, and governor is Arif Muhammad Khan. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. So next question. Shane Watson announced his retirement. He is from which country? South Africa, Australia, Sri Lanka, or option D, New Zealand? The correct answer here is Australia. You know, Shane Watson is a very famous veteran cricketer of Australia. Okay, the Australian all-rounder Shane Watson has announced his retirement from all forms of cricket, from one day, T20, and both test matches also. Okay, next question. Super Typhoon Goni hits to which country? Recently hits to which country? Sri Lanka, India, Philippines, or option D, India? The answer here is option C, Philippines. Recently, the Super Typhoon Goni, claimed as the world's strongest typhoon of 2020. It is the world's, remember the name, the name of the typhoon is Goni, and it is the world's strongest typhoon in 2020, has hit the south of the Philippines main island, Luzon. The name of the island is Luzon, Luzon, Luzon. Okay, a strongest storm to hit the Philippines since 2013, Haiyan. In 2013, a name of the storms is Haiyan hit, and recently the name of the typhoon is Goni, and it is the very strongest storm of 2020. Okay, next question. Who is appointed as Chief Executive Officer, CEO of ESSCI? PVG Menon, Rajesh Bhatia, Anil Bhalluri, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option A, PVG Menon. Recently, PVG Menon appointed as CEO of ESSCI. Can you guess the abbreviation of ESSCI here? ESSCI stands for Electronics Sector Skill Council of India. Electronics Sector Skill Council of India. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Who is appointed as new chairman of Mumbai Port Trust? Prabhas Shukla, Rajiv Jalota, Amitabh Chaudhary, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is Rajiv Jalota. Option B is correct here. Recently, IAS, Indian Administrative Service Officer, Rajiv Jalota has been appointed as the new chairman of Mumbai Port Trust. Remember the name is Rajiv Jalota. Okay. Next question. Who hands over Lucknow Airport to Adani Group? AAI, MHA, CCI, or option D, none of these? The answer here is option A, Airport Authority of India, AAI. Recently, Airport Authority of India hands over one Lucknow Airport to the Adani Group. About 5 airport is now in the control or the management of Adani Group now, and recently Lucknow Airport is in the list also. Okay. Next question. Who is the author of book titled Pandemonium, The Great Indian Banking Tragedy? Chetan Bhagat, T. Bandyopadhyaya, Ravinder Singh, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, T. Bandyopadhyaya. Okay, recently the author of the book, remember, The Pandemonium, The Great Indian Banking Tragedy, is written by T. Bandyopadhyaya. Okay, next question. T.K. Krishnan passed away. He was later to which of the following field? Which of the following field? Violin, guitar, trumpet, or option D, none of these? Which of the musical instruments is associated with T.K. Krishnan? This kind of question you have to see in the NTPC SSC railways examinations. Okay, the correct answer here is question number 8 is he is related to violin. Okay, the violin player T.K. Krishnan recently passed away. Okay, and also he got the Padma Shri award. Also, he was a Padma Shri awardee, so his name is very much important. Okay, next question. Who will start his own Internet of Things venture that will focus on the healthcare domain? Abhinav Kumar, Arun Goyal, Ajay Mehta, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Ajay Mehta. Option C is correct here. Recently, Ajay Mehta will start his own Internet of Things venture that will focus on the healthcare domain. Remember, that will focus on the healthcare domain. Okay. Next question. Who will operate 4 more Vande Bharat mission flights between India and China? Air India, Indigo, Go Air, or option D, Vistara? Can you guess the answer here? The answer here is Air India. So option A is correct here. Recently, Air India operated the 4 more Vande Bharat mission flights between India and China. In Vande Bharat mission, the migrants from the other country will come to our India. Okay, and recently this the 4 more Vande Bharat mission flights will be operated by Air India. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, who has got the title sponsorship of Women T20 Challenge? Okay, our second question is, who has inaugurated Arogya Van in Gujarat's Narmada district? Please try to answer more in comment section, because it is very much helpful for you. It is a regular practice is done by you. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit educational wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.